Hi, konnichiwa. Welcome to Speak Japanese Naturally. I'm Fumi. Have you ever heard of the word Obon? There are two very important events in Japan. One is Oshogatsu, New Year, and the other is Obon in the middle of August. Obon is a Buddhist festival, and it is said that the spirits of the family members who have passed away come back. So Obon is a celebration for family members and relatives get together. So most companies give their employees holidays to go back to their hometowns. People get Obon holidays even if they are not Buddhist. So everyone looks forward to Obon holidays, which is about 3 or 4 or 5 days. And there's an expression, 盆と正月が一緒に来たようだ, which says it seems that Obon and お正月 come together at the same time. We use this expression when pleasant things happen at the same time. You can say Bon and 正月, but to be polite, we put O before Bon and 正月. So usually we say お正月 and Obon. My neighbor, Mrs. Kasai, has been kind enough to offer to show us how she celebrates Obon at her house. では、行きましょう. Let's go. お邪魔します. We say お邪魔します when we enter someone else's house. This is her drawing room. These are her Buddhist altars, お仏壇. This altar is for her late husband and other family members from her husband's side. She puts offerings on the tables in front of the altars for Obon. Look at these. Can you guess what these animals are? The left one is a horse made out of a cucumber. The right one is a cow made out of an eggplant. It is said that our late family members' spirits come back to our houses on August 13th and go back on August 16th. We want them to come early, so we prepare a horse for their return because horses are fast. And we don't want them to go back soon, so we make a cow for them to go back slowly because cows are slow. This is her husband, his father, his mother. His father was killed in the war when he was young. This is Kamidana, a household Shinto altar. There's a god Kami-sama there. This altar is for her mother and father. Her mother loved these stuffed dolls. You put things on the altar that the late person loved. This tapestry is called kakejiku. Mrs. Kasai hangs this special kakejiku for Obon. It shows 13 Buddhas. On the 13th, Mrs. Kasai goes to her family grave in the morning, and in the evening, she does mukaebi, a welcome fire at the gate's entrance with her son's families to welcome their late family members' spirits to her house. On the evening of 16th, she does the same thing, but this time it's called okuribi, a farewell fire to see them off. This is one of the examples of how Japanese people celebrate Obon. Maybe details are different depending on where they live or which Buddhist sect they belong to. My husband, kids, and I usually spend Obon with my in-laws at their house and visit the family grave. But this year, in 2020, we couldn't go visit them because of the coronavirus. We haven't seen them for more than a year, and my parents for 8 months. They are getting older, so we don't have a very long time together. But since they're old, they have higher risk than us, so we can't take the risk at least now. But I hope everything will be better soon. Kasai さん、お家を見せてくれてありがとうございました。Mrs. Kasai, thank you for showing us your house. And Janet, thank you for correcting the script again. And thank you for watching this video. I hope this helped you understand a part of Japanese Obon culture. If you like this channel, please like and subscribe. I hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye! またね!